What is statistics? Statistics is the study of collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data to make informed decisions and draw conclusions. What is descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics involves summarizing and describing the main features of a data set, such as measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode, and measures of dispersion, range, variance, standard deviation. What is inferential statistics? Inferential statistics involves making predictions, inferences, or generalizations about a population based on a sample of data, using techniques such as hypothesis testing and confidence intervals. How are probability distributions applied? Probability distributions are applied in various fields, including finance, engineering, biology, and social sciences, to model and analyze uncertain events and make predictions about future outcomes. What are probability distributions? Probability distributions describe the likelihood of different outcomes occurring in a random experiment. Examples include the normal distribution, binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. What are sampling techniques? Sampling techniques involve selecting a subset, sample, of individuals or items from a larger population to gather data for analysis. Common sampling techniques include simple random sampling, stratified sampling, and cluster sampling. What is mean in descriptive statistics? The mean, also known as the average, is the sum of all values in a data set divided by the total number of values. It represents the central tendency of the data. What is median in descriptive statistics? The median is the middle value in a data set when the values are arranged in ascending or descending order. It represents the value below which 50% of the data fall. What is mode in descriptive statistics? The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. It represents the most common value or category. What is hypothesis testing in inferential statistics? Hypothesis testing involves making decisions about a population parameter based on sample data by comparing observed sample statistics with hypothesized population parameters and assessing the likelihood of obtaining the observed results by chance. What is a confidence interval in inferential statistics? A confidence interval is a range of values within which a population parameter is estimated to lie with a certain level of confidence. It provides a measure of the uncertainty associated with estimating population parameters from sample data. What is a probability in probability theory? Probability is a measure of the likelihood of an event occurring, expressed as a number between 0 and 1, where 0 represents impossibility and 1 represents certainty. What is a normal distribution? A normal distribution is a bell-shaped probability distribution characterized by its symmetric shape and defined by its mean and standard deviation. Many natural phenomena follow a normal distribution. What is random sampling? Random sampling is a sampling technique where every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected for the sample. It helps to ensure that the sample is representative of the population. What is stratified sampling? Stratified sampling is a sampling technique where the population is divided into distinct subgroups, strata, and samples are then randomly selected from each subgroup in proportion to their size. It ensures that each subgroup is adequately represented in the sample.